Are your e-commerce sales slipping due to slow, outdated SEO tactics? Traditional optimization is just too slow. I am Mahmudul Hassan, an AI-powered optimization AEO specialist. I use AI-driven optimization, ensuring your products are always ranking ahead of the competition every single moment. By targeting high conversion keywords, flawlessly fix your product listing and site speed for rapid ranking results. Every strategy I implement is completely data driven and ROI focused. My goal is not just traffic, but the tangible growth of your revenue and sales. My future proof strategy secures your business by automatically adapting to Google's constant algorithm changes. Ready to use the power of AI to dominate your market? Message me now to build your custom AEO strategy. Let's talk growth.